Here we are discussing the Trigonometric Identities chapter, and this is the second video of that chapter. We are doing the solutions of the sum of this chapter, Trigonometric Identities. Those who have not seen the first part, kindly visit to that video and see, and you can understand better. So how can we solve this? The problem is given like that: sin a by 1 plus cot, and here it is given cos a by 1 plus tan. We have to prove sin a minus cos a. So same, we'll be starting with the LHS. This is our LHS. So what do we do? The first step, we are keeping this sin a as it is, the down one, 1 plus this cot we are splitting. We know cot means cos a by sin a. Same way, the second part also will do this cos a same, in the down part this tan will split. So 1 plus tan means sin a by cos a. Now in the second step, this upper one will be remaining as it is, so don't make any changes with that. Here 1 means 1 by 1, so here you will do the LCM. Sin a will be the LCM. So this sin a will be multiplied with this one, it will be sin a, plus sign is there, so plus, this 1 will be multiplied with this cos, so it will be cos a. This is the separation line. So minus, again here also this cos a, no change. The denominator LCM will do, because this down 1 is there. So here 1 and cos LCM will be cos a. Cos into 1 is side multiplication, it will become cos a, plus this 1 and this sin a will be multiplied, it will be sin a. Now this will be reciprocal, so sin a is here, and this sin a will be going up, it will become sin square a, and down sin a plus cos a. Here also little minus, this cos and this one will be reciprocal, and it will go in same place, so it will become cos square a by down cos a plus sin a. We know this cos a plus sin a, and this sin a plus cos a and cos a plus sin a are the same thing, so we will do the LCM of it. So our LCM will be sin a plus cos a. As the LCM is same, upper one also will become same, it will become sin square a minus here cos square a. Now we will have a formula. We know this sin square a minus cos square a will be having formula. What formula? A square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So we will have sin a plus cos a and sin a minus cos a. Already in denominator we have sin a plus cos a, so this will cancel. So remaining thing is sin a minus cos a, and that is only our required RHS. So hence proved. We will try to write these formulas, and whatever the formulas you are going to use, try to write in the right side of the sum. Let's see how can we solve this sum. This also will start from LHS only. So this sec a square a we are splitting in this way, that is sec a square a whole square. And tan to the power 4 we are splitting as tan square a square. So a square minus b square formula we got, we are splitting it in a plus b into a minus b. Which formula we got? We got a square square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b will split. We'll get sec a plus tan a, and square is there, so sec square a plus tan square it will be there, because square 4 was there, and this will be tan square a. Sorry, it will be like this. This is a square minus b square, so a plus b got into will get here in the middle, because the formula is a plus b into a minus b. So a means this, b means this one. So a and b. So a plus b we got. Now we will write a minus b. A means this, minus b means this. Now we know one formula was there at the beginning of this chapter. We have explained that we have a formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta's value is 1. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta's value is 1. So in place of this we will put 1, and here we will have sec square a plus tan square a. Now from here we see the RHS is having only tan, so we will convert this formula into tan. That means if we write sec square theta and bring this 1 in that LHS, it will become tan square theta. Same way, if we want to convert this sec square theta, then we can write it like this way: sec square theta is equals to 1, and this tan will be going that side. It will become 1 plus tan square theta. So in our question, in RHS only tan is required, sec is not there. So in place of this sec or sec square a, we will put this. So we'll write in place of that 1 plus tan square a. Already here tan square a is there, so this tan square a will be remain multiplied by 1, not required to write. So here 1 tan square a 2 times, so we can write 2 tan square a. So we got our RHS, so we can write hence we have proved it. Hope you understood. Let's see this sum, how can we solve? It is given this cosec to the power 6a minus cot to the power 6a is equals to this 3 cot square a into cosec square a plus 1. So we start with the LHS. This to the power 6 we have split it as squares cube. So this one as cosec square a, that's whole cube. Then for this one we have split it cot square a whole cube. Now we have split it in the formula of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Now this is our a, this is our b. So a minus b whole cube. So this is a minus b whole cube plus 3ab, means 3 into a into b. This is a, this is b, and a minus b. A means this square, cosec square, and b means this cot square. So a minus b. Now we have a formula cosec square theta minus cot square theta. This value is 1. If we put this one as 1, so it is 1's cube plus 3 into this cosec square a into cot square a, it will remain as it is. And this is also cosec square theta minus cot square theta, so its value also 1. So we got 1 plus 3 cosec square a into cot square a, and that is only our RHS. Hence proved. Hope you have understood. Let's see the next sum. Let's see how can we do this sum. This is a very important sum. Okay, so as I am showing, in this way it will be very easy, but if you go for another way it will become very hard. So it is a tricky sum. Please see and understand it very clearly. What we are doing here, at first this down total one will obviously start with the LHS. Okay, so we'll start with LHS. This down total one we are keeping in a bracket, we are not splitting it. Don't split up and down. And this upper one, this part we will keep it in a bracket. In the next step, what we'll do, this bracket we have separated, we'll keep it. So cot theta plus cosec theta we will keep, we will not split it. In this one we will split. We know cos square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So we will be writing in place of this one cosec square theta minus cot square theta, because we know the value of this is 1. Down 1 will not split. If you split down 1 also, it will not come. So down 1 will keep as it is, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Now this bracket part we will keep as it is, no change on it. So this cot theta plus cosec theta we will keep. This one, this bracket, this part, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, this one will split in a formula of a square minus b square, and we know the formula is a plus b into a minus b. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be split as cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. Down one, no changes on it, just keep as it is, cosec theta minus cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Down one we are not going to change anything. Now see one thing, this part cosec theta plus cot theta and this cosec theta plus cot theta can be taken common from the up, so we are taking it. So if we take this cot theta plus cosec theta out as a common, the remaining thing here in place of this one left, this minus, then this quantity left. If this quantity left, minus is there outside, it will become minus cosec theta. This minus and this minus will make it plus, so it will become plus cot theta. The down one will keep as it is. We have in the down one cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Check, this upper part, this part and this part is same. How? Here plus 1 is there, here plus 1, cot theta in positive sign, cot theta in positive sign, minus cosec theta, here also minus cosec theta. So this total part and this total part we can cancel. So what is left with us? We have only this one left, cot theta plus cosec theta. If we split it in this way, cot means cos theta by sin theta and cosec means 1 by sin theta. If we do the LCM, sin theta will become the LCM. Now it will become cos theta plus 1, and you can check, this is only our RHS. Our RHS is 1 plus cos by sin theta, and our answer is also 1 plus cos by sin. We got the RHS, you can write equals to RHS, hence we have proved it. Hope you understood. Let's see how can we do the next sum. Okay, let's see how can we do this sum. This is a little harder one. Okay, now maximum places what they does for this sum, this quantity and this quantity they brought it in the same side. Generally this side is here and this one also they try to bring it in the LHS, and RHS only they kept only 2 and they try to solve. But we will not do it like that. We will split LHS also, we will split RHS also, and we will show that they are equal. Let's see how can we do it. We'll start with the LHS first. So LHS part, what we will do, this upper one sin theta will be as it is, this down one will split. Cot means we know cos theta by sin theta, and this cosec means we know 1 by sin theta. So what we'll do here, this upper one sin theta will keep, down this sin theta, and this one will be the LCM. So sin theta will be the LCM, then it will be cos theta plus 1. Now this one will be reciprocal because down it is there, so it will be multiplied here as reciprocal. It will become sin square theta, and down it is cos theta plus 1. We know sin square theta, this sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. So down one as it is, it will keep as cos theta plus 1. Now as the upper one we got 1 minus cos square, we can make 1 square also, so it will become a square minus b square formula. So we'll get here 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, and up and down we are getting cos theta plus 1. So this cos theta plus 1 and this cos theta plus 1 will cancel, only 1 minus cos theta will be left in the LHS. Now see the RHS, how the RHS can be done. For RHS, this 2 is kept as it is. Okay, now after this 2 we will keep as it is. Here the upper one sin theta also will keep, down one will split same as here we have splitted this cot theta and cosec theta, same way we will split. Cot is cos by sin and cosec means 1 by sin. Same way we do the LCM. If we do the LCM, sin theta will be the LCM here. So upper one sin theta will be kept, down for the denominator sin theta is the LCM. So sin theta, if it is LCM, both the denominators are sin theta, so it will become cos theta minus 1. Now this sin theta will be reciprocal and will be multiplied at the up here. So we'll get here 2 plus here it will become sin square theta by down it will become cos theta minus 1 as it is. Now what we will do, same like the LHS only. See here sin theta was there, sin square theta, here also we got sin square theta. Same we will split. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta, and here down as it is we will keep cos theta minus 1. Now we are splitting it in this way. This 1 means 1 square, so a square minus b square formula will split 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Here from the denominator, from here this one we will do one change. What change we will do? Let's see. Two as it is will keep. Here in this step, from here down denominator cos theta minus 1 is there, we will take 1 minus common, so it will become minus cos theta, and this one will become plus 1. Why I am doing it? Because we have to cancel the upper one and down one. Which one I am talking about? Let's see in the next step, you will understand. 2 as it is. This one is 1 plus cos theta. Next one is this 1 minus cos. As we have taken this minus we have taken common, so this sign will change. This sign will change to minus. We change this one as minus, and the down one we have here 1 minus cos theta plus 1, so it will become 1 minus cos theta, and this 1 minus cos theta will cancel. So what is remaining here? This one is 2 minus 1 plus cos theta. To split, we will get 1 minus, and this plus will become minus cos theta. 2 minus 1 will be 1 minus cos theta. In the RHS, check in the LHS also we left with 1 minus cos theta. This is LHS, this is RHS, both become same, so you can write LHS and RHS same. Therefore LHS equals to RHS, we can say. Hope you understood this. Let's see how can we do this. We'll start with the LHS. First, this sin theta and cos theta will keep as it is, no change. This bracket will split. Sec means 1 by cos, and cosec means 1 by sin. Next, what we'll do? This one as it is will keep, sin theta plus cos theta. This one will do the LCM. Sin theta into cos theta will be the LCM. Sin theta will be multiplied here, cos theta will be multiplied here, so it will become again sin theta plus cos theta. Now check this up, here multiplication sign is there, so up, this is also sin theta plus cos theta, this is also sin theta plus cos theta, so we can write sin theta plus cos theta whole square we got, and down we have sin theta into cos theta. We'll split it in a whole square formula, this upper one. You know a plus b whole square formula is square means sin square theta plus b square means cos square theta plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 sin theta cos theta. Down we have sin theta into cos theta. Next step, we know this sin theta plus cos theta's value is 1. So this from this part will get 1, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 we know, and we have 2 sin theta cos theta. In the denominator we have sin theta and cos theta, so this sin theta cos theta we are writing the down of 1 also. We can write in separation sin theta into cos theta. So here this one will be cancelled, and here we got 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means cosec theta, and 1 by cos also. 1 by cos means sec. And here only 2 left, and that is only your RHS. So hence proved. Hope you understood. Let's see the next one. Let's see how can we do this sum. Already we have splitted it, and from LHS we have done it. This cosec we have split it from as 1 by sin. This sin as it is kept. This sec is kept as 1 by cos, and cos is here only. This sec square a kept as it is. Now what we have done? We have done the LCM of this bracket. So sin theta is the LCM because down nothing is 1 here. So 1 and then sine square because this sine and this sine is multiplied. Here also from this bracket cos theta is the LCM 1 and cos theta cos a square a. This sec square a we have kept as it is, no changes. Now we know this 1 minus sine square means cos square and 1 minus cos square means sine square. Down sine a, here cos a, and this sec square a we have split it in a 1 minus cos square a. Now if you cancel up and down, this cos square a and cos square a will be cancelled. This sine a and this sine square a from this square will be cancelled. So only we left with sine a by cos a, and which means we got tan a, and that is only your RHS. Hope you understood. Let's see how can do this sum, which is the next one. Here there is no option except we will start with LHS. But what we'll do, this upper one, see sine cube a and cos cube a. That means a cube plus b cube formula will create. The formula is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Minus ab means sin a into cos a. Which formula we are going to use? We are using this formula. We are using the formula of a cube plus b cube, and the formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We are writing it in formula of that, means in the form of this a square and then after b square then minus ab. If we write like this, no, here sin square plus cos square equals to 1, we will have easy to write. Hope you understood this part. So we delete this one. Now down of it, what is there? Sin a plus cos a. And this one for this part. The second part we are writing it here, plus sine, and here a cube minus b cube is there. So formula will have change. What is the change? The change is here it will have minus and here it will have plus. Only this is the change. So if we do so, for this part we can write like this. Little down we write. So we'll have this one, a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube formula will be a minus b into a square means sin square a, plus b square. In case of minus, ab part will have plus, that means plus of ab, that means plus sin a into cos a. And down of it we have this one, sin a minus cos a. Hope you understood this part for the second one and this one for the first one. Now this sin a plus cos a here will cancel. What is left? The leftover thing is this one, sin square a. From here sin square a and cos square a, this part will be 1, so it will be 1 minus sin a into cos a. We'll have a plus sign in the middle here. In the next part, if we do, this part and this part will be cancelled. For this sin square plus cos square will have 1, so here we'll get 1 minus, here plus sign is there, check, here plus was there, so 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now here middle plus sign is there, so if you remove this bracket, what we'll get easily, this plus and minus sin a cos a will get cancelled, so we're left with 1 and 1, both are positive, so 2, and that is your only RHS, so we got the RHS. Hope you understood. Let's see the next one. Let's see how can we do the next sum. First, tan square a we have kept. We have started with the LHS. There is no option because RHS is only 1. So we know our formula, that is sec a square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. From here, if we want sec a square theta, it will be 1, and this tan square will be shifted. It will become 1 plus tan square theta. So this 1 plus tan square theta down here means sec a square theta. Just place A is here. Next, same way, cot square we are keeping. 1 plus cot square is down. 1 plus cot square means cosec. So it will be cosec square A. Now split it sin and cos. Tan means we know. Tan means, change the ink. So tan means sin square by cos square. And this down sec means 1 by cos square. Here cot means cos square a by sin square a, and down sin cosec means 1 by sin square a. This and this cancel, this and this cancel, so we have left with sin square a, here cos square a. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so we got the RHS. Hope you understood.